What's up, my little tattletales? Come in, shut the door. Listen, we can catch up later. We got some tea and mama. Woo! The roosters have come home to nest. Y'all hear me? I literally just shut the door. Y'all, Kim Kardashian is being sued over skin trademark. And guess what? Miss Cultural Appropriation. Miss Take Everything She Sees. Miss Glob into whoever she is around. Literally glob into a new person. And saying that it's a shakedown. Y'all, Kim, let me just start off by saying Kim is delusional and has some nerve. But I guess that's what you got to be to have $1 billion. How can you scour the earth like your name is Lord Voldemort? Literally, and you got your mentors on the side. Cue Khloe Kardashian, right? You got your Dementors riding next to you, literally taking everything you see, stealing it, claiming it as your own. And you got the nerve to say that someone, Miss Legal Eagle, that owned a trademark before you did, with the exact same spelling, is a shakedown? Is that what we're calling justice now, Miss Legal Eagle? Now listen, here's what I want to say about this. Keep an eye on the space. We're going to get into the story. I'm going to break it down, but keep an eye on the space because so many of y'all, well, not y'all, but so many people were literally so ready to believe all the negative jargon that they said about Blac Chyna. It's a shakedown. How dare she? She don't deserve it. You guys, this is like not the same case, but it's the same general sense of legal justice that she wants. And now Kim's saying this is shakedown. Let me see how TMZ and all these places spin this, that a woman who owned it first with the exact same spelling, it's now shaken down because she wants you to pay like you weigh. You are in violation, allegedly, of trademark Kimmy Cakes. It's not a shakedown. It's called illegal filing. Y'all, let's get into this. But I guess Kim's thing about using Kanye. No, black woman that I stole from. Oh, did I mention that it was black? Because, of course, Kim would only talk about this about black women. Seems like she, well, anyway. But did I mention that shield she tried to throw up? No, black people. Don't be mad at me. Kanye, another black person, gave me permission. So I had permission. Man, Kim, shut up. I will say one thing. This has not been a good week for Kim Kardashian. Pete Davidson is quiet as a mouse, having his dirty sock summer, enjoying not being around you, having a smile with your ridiculous life, right? Kanye clowning you at the BET Awards. Chaney looking oh so lovely. Remember how Kim said she would eat poop to stay young? That's how desperate she was to stay young. Listen, I'm not ageist. Kim looks great. Well, okay, listen. Kim looks great for her age. She actually can eat a sandwich and actually look even more youthful. But the fact that Kim is so obsessed with youth, you know, is tearing her apart. That Kanye is with someone that's young and ripe and got 20 years in the game of looking like that, where Kim feels, even though I don't understand why, Kim feels like that beauty is slipping through her fingers every single day. She literally is kind of turning into, I don't want to say Magnificent. That was my movie. But maybe like what was it? Snow White's evil queen mother. Anyway, let's get into this, right? Kim Kardashian is using her celebrity to bully a small business for the rights to a skincare line. But Kim's legal team says that's nothing more than a shakedown effort. Now somebody... Does Kim think she's impossible? Someone filing suit in the court of law in the United States of America is a shakedown effort? Do you think you are above the law just because you studied year one law school? Yeah, for everybody that's saying she took the baby bar ain't nothing but first year law school exams. Everybody that's got a legal license, either practicing or not, had to do it. They said Kim is being sued for trademark infringement over her new brands, SKKN and SKKN By Kim, by a company out of Brooklyn called Beauty Concepts, which claims it owns the rights to SKKN Plus and says Kim's use of the moniker of her beauty products is confusing to customers. Now, here's the thing. Kim has an army of trademark attorneys, an army. We know what she did to Dream Kardashian's name and everything else. And quiet as it's kept, allegedly some things that involved Jay. For y'all to sit there and not let and act like your trademark attorneys, when you were launching a multi-million-dollar brand, didn't run it and say, yeah, there seems to be something we might be trademark infringing. They brought it to Kim. Her legal team looked at it and she agreed. I got enough money. I can fight the case. If you want to talk about a shakedown, Kim, actually what you're doing is bullying. It literally is. It is the tyranny on the weak. You thought, since they were a little black-owned Brooklyn brand, well, little in comparison to like a it's not a huge brand. You thought that with the trademark, you could either bully them out, literally make them feel stupid, or at the very least, maybe throw them $50 and an Arby's gift certificate and call it even. Now get this, right? Where is it at, right? Ooh, look at the document they said. So Kim released this statement. This lawsuit is not what it seems. It is. They said you stole the name. It looks like you stole the name. Case closed. Next on the docket. SKKN By Kim is a new brand that follows in the footsteps of Miss Kardashian's successful KKK line of products. How does it follow except for this the end? You cannot say because Kim had other products named KKW that she could now get away with taking SKKN. It is trademarked. Building on independent research and development, her company filed a trademark application for SKKN By Kim to protect the new branded products. This prompted the current shakedown. Again, the audacity of this woman. What are you talking about? Mid last year, so listen, before y'all even launch SKKN, they sent you a letter saying that you were infringing on their trademark. We received a letter from Beauty Concepts. We applaud Ms. Lunsford for being a small business owner and following her dreams. Unbelievable. But that doesn't give her the right to wrongly claim that we've done something wrong. Yes, it does. Do you know how she sent you a letter in summer last year? Because she literally got notified that somebody was infringing on her trademark. That's how she sent you the letter. So obviously someone thinks you're doing something wrong. In the letter, they claimed to own the rights to a logo made up by SKKN Plus, and it just filed for trademark protection for that logo. The business was a one-person shop offering facials from a single Brooklyn location. Who cares? And Kim is a multi-billion-dollar company with umpteen employees that's literally can't think of any original names on their own without stealing, and can't even sell that overpriced Neutrogena Naturals for $630. And here we are. So what's your point? What's your point? Please continue. Okay. They said the salon has no signage and was by appointment only. First of all, who cares? Second of all, we just got out the pandemic. And third of all, some of the best salons in the world are by appointment only. Do you know walk-in dermatologists? I actually, in here, does anybody know a spa or a clinic where you could just walk in and say, yes, I would like it done, and they'll take you? Maybe they exist, but most places are appointment only. No signage. Shut up. The signage was on the internet, right? They said, to our knowledge, they sold no products under the SKKN name. They don't have to. They filed for trademark and paid for trademark to exclusively reserve the right. For those of you guys that don't know trademark law, I'm not going to get into it too deep, but when you file for trademark, not only are you protecting that nobody can use it, you're also protecting your options in the future. So if I want to make a SKKN clothing line, a SKKN rubber band line, a SKKN sneaker line, I am protected. So anything I purchase with trademark, I have the right. First of all, I can sit on it for the rest of my life, for the life of my whole generation, and never use it. And you can't do anything about it. I own it. I paid for it. It was my idea. I paid for it. You don't have it. It's funny how Kim understands this when it's her against the world, but when it's somebody else, all of a sudden she get amnesia. Kimmy Cakes, open those first-year law schools. This is so ridiculous. So because she wasn't using it, it's use it or lose it. That's like somebody literally, you buying a plot of land, you telling everybody it's your plot of land, somebody setting a shot and building a multi-million-dollar mansion on your land, and then saying they had no signage. And from what we know, they had no land, they had no houses on this land. What that got to do with you building your multi-million-dollar mansion on my land? And you knew about this when you went to apply for trademark. Now get this. Beauty Concepts asked for Kim to drop the name. They said, of course we said no. Of course you did, because y'all the evil empire. I swear to God, if this was Avatar, shout out to Ang. What's up, Appa? Let's get some Earth Kingdom realness. But honestly, I feel like Kim and the Kardashians are the goddamn Fire Nation. I really do. But you saw what happened to the Fire Nation. They burned from inside, baby. Listen, for all y'all that know what I know, y'all know. Y'all should actually watch that cartoon on Netflix. It's the last Aang, the last Airbender. So good. Anyway, it's a classic, right? Listen, they said Beauty Concepts then challenged Kim's trademark applications with the USPTO. Unsurprisingly, the USPTO rejected Beauty Concepts' own Skin Plus mark, saying that skin just means skin. That is not true. Then Beauty Concepts tried to make business seem more than what it was, and at least a new storefront and changed its website. You cannot be serious. This is before you even launched, Kim. I don't understand this logic, and they're lying about her. So here's the thing. I'm going to do a separate video about the USPTO rejected trademark. Several times we reached out to Beauty Concepts trying to find a sensible path to coexistence. So you guys tried to settle, but you tried to offer peanuts, right? We pointed out that running the small esthetician business in Brooklyn does not give it the right to shut down a global skincare line. Kim's not a global skincare line. You just started that shit. Breathe, Tisa, breathe. You just started this. It's not a global skincare line. The audacity. Woo! We discovered that Beauty Concepts was doing business at one point without a legally required licenses. Okay, so that they got caught slipping, but that sounds like a shakedown to me. Y'all ain't anything. In the end, Beauty Concepts didn't really engage with us beyond demanding a lot of money. Yeah, baby, that's how it works. What do you mean? Since we've done nothing wrong, we stood our ground. We think the case is less about a law of trademarks and more about trying to leverage a settlement by threatening to harm Kim Kardashian's name and reputation. What name and reputation? It's not going to look. And we look forward to presenting our case in court. Michael Rose, lead counsel of the Kardashians. Baby, it looks like this is going to court. It looks like it's going to court. But guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Your girl's going to be covering it. Woo! We bringing out all the legal eagles. We're going to have panels. It's going to be a good time. But honestly, I hope these idiots do actually stop and give this lady what she's owed. I just can't believe the audacity. Nothing surprises me from this woman. It's times like this when I say blame goddamn Kanye for unleashing this beast upon us. Anyway, my little tattletales, let me know what you think in the comments, and I will talk to you later. Bye.